Hi friends, today I am going to tell you how you can use my any sound from a TikTok video as your ringtone. So let's learn. It's very easy. You just have to follow my step by step and watching the video completely. But first please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So first of all, open the Play Store on your phone, then search ringtone maker, and when you scroll up you will see an app named MP3 cutter and ringtone maker. Click on it and download it. After downloading, open the app and click on the icon. Click on the plus icon. Give the app full access to your phone. Then close the app and open your TikTok app. Now open your video and copy its link under every TikTok video. There are some options where you will find the copy link option. Click on it and the link will be copied. Now go back and open the ringtone maker app again. In the app you will see the option paste the TikTok video you copied. Click on it, paste the link and then click on the download option. And here you go. The audio version of the TikTok video has arrived. Now you can open it and check. To set this sound as your ringtone, go to your settings and then click on sounds and vibration, then ringtone. Now click on the plus icon, then go to the folder option, select TikTok download, and here is your sound. Now click on done, and that's it. Your sound has been set as your ringtone. For more helpful video like this, stay connected with my channel. Thanks for watching.